Hi there friends, and welcome to my channel, Cat's Paw Canteen. I'm Kenny, and today we're going to be making a pinwheel sausage pizza. Now you might be thinking, what the heck is that? But I actually went to a local grocery here in Italy and found this pinwheel sausage that looked absolutely beautiful. And right now I'm on a low carb diet and saw that and thought, maybe that's a good replacement for dough. Might sound crazy, but I'm going to give it a try. So follow me into the canteen and I'm going to show you how I make it. Alright, so my little helper here wanted to introduce the ingredients that I'm using today. So Sky, what are we using today?
Some sausage.
Yeah, this is a pinwheel sausage.
Yeah, can go wheel.
Yeah, it's like a big wheel, huh?
Yeah, it's like a wheel.
What else do we have? Sky, what are the cheeses that we have?
This one.
Now what's that?
Parmesan mozzarella.
Mozzarella? That's mozzarella cheese. Can you say mozzarella cheese?
Mozzarella cheese.
Yeah. What's the other one right here? What's this one?
There's
Parmesan?
parmesan.
And what do you have in your hand right there?
Garlic.
That's olives. Green olives. That's been chopped up. And what's that? Can you say pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, yeah. Alrighty, Sky, so we got some sauce stuff here. What's this?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. What's this one right here?
Salt one.
This is garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah. What's this? This is seasoning, Italian seasoning.
Got some salt.
Yeah, we got some salt. And do you know what this is?
Yeah.
What's this?
Know what the words say?
This is truffle oil.
It's truffle oil.
Yeah, alright. So, first things first, let's get the sauce ready, okay?
Yeah. Let's get this ready.
In a heated sauce pot, add some olive oil. Add about a teaspoon of minced garlic. And put in some tomato sauce in there. Add a touch of Italian seasoning. And a sprinkle of salt. And just a light drizzle of truffle oil. Okay, give that a good stir. And that's pretty much it. We're going to turn off the heat and leave it aside for now. Alright, we got our frying pan heated up. Add a little bit of oil in there. And we're going to go ahead and add our pinwheel sausage right into the pan here. Thankfully, it already came with a skewer, so it's easy to cook. Let that cook on medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to flip it over. Okay, it's been about a good 3 minutes or so. Let's go ahead and flip that over. There we go. Skin's looking nice and crispy. So once it's flipped over, I'm going to go ahead and put a lid right on top of that. Let it steam a bit and cook thoroughly on the inside. You don't want a half raw sausage, so let's keep it safe. Make sure it heats up all the way. Alrighty, it's been another 3 or 4 minutes or so. I'm going to take the lid off here. And go ahead, grab some sauce from earlier and pour it right on top. And slather. And take your cheese and place your cheese on top of the sauce. So mozzarella first and some parmesan. And place in your pepperoni. I mean, the whole thing is meat, so you don't really need the pepperoni, but hey, if you're a meat lover like me, this is going to be pretty good. And some olives as well. These are actually pretty salty, so I'm not going to put the entire thing I prepared in it there. And lastly, just a touch more cheese on top. Kind of help combine the whole thing. And go ahead, place a lid on it and let the cheese melt. Okay, so it's been another 3 minutes or so, and look at that. The cheese is completely melted. It looks good. Let's turn off the heat. And let's serve it up. Okay, let's go ahead and plate it. Oh yeah, looking beautiful. And you can go ahead, top off a little bit of crushed red pepper on there if you like it spicy like I do. And there you have it, my pinwheel sausage pizza. Looks like an abomination made in Italy. Alright, well, I don't know how I'm going to be eating this, but I guess kind of like a pizza with my hands. Well, here goes. Itadakimasu. The sausage itself is really juicy, meaty, and the sauce that I made, really simple, really good too. Italian muti tomato sauce is one of the best, and within the Italian community, I think that's like the #1 tomato sauce that they use. Let me take another bite here. Man, it's so good that I wouldn't mind being ostracized by my Italian neighbors just for making an abomination like this. I would have loved to make my own Italian pinwheel sausage, but they had it at the grocery store and it looked so good, I had to try this out. I think I could have added more vegetables to it, like onions, some bell peppers, or even mushrooms, something like that, but simple is best for me. I love the taste, I love the textures, really good. So if you're ever in town in Italy and find a pinwheel sausage, you gotta give this a try. Or if you like making your own sausages, also give it a try. If you liked today's video, please make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back at the canteen real soon.